Leaking faucets? Clogged drains? Water heater problems? Broken pipe? Installing new plumbing fixtures? That's where we come in. We have the answer. Arellanos Plumbing is Laredo's leading service and repair specialist. Arellanos provides Laredo homeowners and businesses with expert repairs, maintenance, and replacement of all major brands from a skilled team of professionals. At Arellanos Plumbing, we offer a full range of residential and commercial plumbing services, and we are committed to providing quality and affordable service on every job. So whether your plumbing needs are big or small, residential or commercial, simple or complex, we can help. Call today. Arellanos Plumbing, 956-220-2245.